my banana oatmeal smoothie. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a banana oatmeal smoothie. Yes, so I have here my ingredients: 1.5 banana, 1/4 cup of oats, I have 2 tablespoons of almond milk, 1/2 cup of coconut water, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and flaxseed, and I have 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. And I also have vanilla extract. So I'm gonna get started, guys. I'm gonna add my ingredients to the bullet. So I'm gonna start with the bananas already diced up. That's the banana, the oatmeal, almond milk, my flaxseed and cinnamon, my peanut butter, so guys, if you're allergic to peanut, you can omit the peanut butter. And then I'm gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Vanilla. I'm gonna add my coconut water. As I like my smoothie icy, so I'm gonna add some ice. Right? And now I'm gonna blend. And there you have it, guys, all done. My banana oatmeal smoothie. So I'm gonna glass this now, guys. Look at it. My banana oatmeal smoothie. It's compact. It can last you for a couple hours throughout the day, right? So you can try it. You can give the children for breakfast. As I said before, you can omit this. Yes. And there you have it, guys. All garnished with some ripe banana and nutmeg. My banana oatmeal smoothie. Go ahead and try it. You will love it. Okay, guys, remember to like this video, share it with your friends and families. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, leave a comment, like and share. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.